Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at fixing a gas stove that's not igniting. Now on this particular stove, I've got the gas on, I can smell the gas, I can hear the clicking of the igniter, but the stovetop just won't ignite. And this is usually a very simple fix. First step is just to confirm that you're actually getting spark. You do that by looking at the side of the burner and you can see the spark going on. Then just remove that top cap. Now the gas flows into the burner through that center hole up into this round channel, and then eventually it's kept down by the cap. For the flame, it would flow out those side vents, but eventually it would flow through a small hole located right here, just above the igniter, and that's what allows the burner to ignite. That hole can get obstructed with debris, food, any dust, any dirt, etc. So just use a needle or a small thin wire and just clear whatever obstruction is blocking that hole. After the obstruction is clear, place the cap back on. That's very important. That holds the gas down. Turn it on and it should ignite. A very easy fix for a very common gas stove problem. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a whole bunch of do-it-yourself projects on there for the homeowner. Thank you very much for watching.